Welcome to Stormwater Drainage Solutions. In today's video, we're going to be installing a channel drain. So basically, the situation we have going on here is this front patio where the front door and sliding glass door are floods. All the concrete is sloped towards the home, holding water all in this area. And on a couple heavy rain events, the water got close enough to almost enter the home. So what we're going to be doing is installing a channel drain in this section with a main line going out towards the front and discharging on a pop-up emitter. We're prepping the area here to go ahead and start cutting the concrete. Remember to give 811 a call before you do any excavation. That way they can come out and mark any utility lines that may be in the area. So unfortunately, we didn't get any of the concrete cutting on film because we wanted to hurry up and get it cut and get that machine returned back to the tool rental place that we got it from. Because if you do this kind of work, then you have to understand that time is money. Every second that you take away from the job turns into minutes, and those minutes turn into hours. And that is very important. Getting the footage for these videos takes away time from these jobs. So give us a thumbs up in the channel if you really like and enjoy these videos that we're doing. It helps us out, helps support us. So we're going to be using a short turn 90 to install this drainage here. The reason for that is because we are limited on space here and we need to maintain the pitch of our drainage pipe. So if we were to use a long turn 90, we would run out of fall too quickly to be able to get past this concrete slab, because there is the sewer line at the end of this slab that we have to actually go over because we cannot reroute that, and if we go underneath it, we will be too low. So right now we are cutting the channel drain in order to install the section of drain that's going to connect that short turn 90 onto the bottom, so we can drain it out through the bottom instead of the side. Now, whenever you're installing channel drains, you want to make sure that they're level. If you start trying to level them one side or another, what's going to ultimately happen is you're going to end up deeper in the ground by the time you get to the end, and it's going to look unsightly and it's going to be a trip hazard. Now, because the channel drain is level, the water is going to flow through there without an issue. Once the water falls down in that channel drain, it's going to take the path of least resistance. So it's going to go left, it's going to go right, but once it fills up in there and it finds the only exit, which is our drain hole that goes into that 90 and then into our drain pipe, that's the direction that that water is going to ultimately take, because that turns into the path of least resistance for that water. So as you can see, we got our French Drain Man high octane drain pipe installed. We went underneath the water lines here and over that sewer line that's down below there. It's kind of hard to see that, but we're testing the system out now to make sure that we have good adequate fall and that our water is going to flow nicely. Now, we're not worried about putting the high octane drain pipe underneath this patio slab. For starters, there's not going to be any vehicle traffic driving over this concrete. And second of all, this is high octane. The wall thickness on this pipe is incredible. Once we put a little bit of dirt over that and then we put our concrete back over, that drain line is going to last in the ground forever. So we're not worried about it collapsing or crushing. Not to mention, there's really no tree roots or anything like that around this patio, so we don't have to worry about roots. So next, we're going to be washing off this patio here and prepping it and getting it ready for concrete. As you can see, we always tape our channel drains. This is very important. You want to make sure that you tape them so that you're not getting concrete all in them when you're pouring. That's just going to make a huge mess, and you're going to have to go back and clean that out, and it's a true nightmare. Trust me, we've made this mistake back years ago when we were noobs at this. You want to always put tape over your channel drains before doing your concrete. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed this video and you gained some knowledge from watching it. And if you did, give us a thumbs up. It really supports us. It helps the channel out. And if you live in the Tampa Bay area and you want stormwater drainage solutions to come to your home or property and assess the situation and design a system that's going to last you a lifetime with high quality materials, give us a call at 813-614-3456. And until next time, this is SWDS signing off.